So hey guys, and welcome to another episode of MGC. It's been a while, and it's been a while since I've been in my Mercedes, my W202. So I'm back in it, and when we want to do a quick video, just a quick update on what's been up with this vehicle and what are my plans for it, how it's been functioning. I have been driving it. Not that much, but I have been driving it. But it does sit outside the house because there's just not enough parking. So I'm having a bit of parking issues, and that's why this car gets a bit of time outside the house, and gets parked for, week on, week off, like that. But we're back. It's the Mercedes W202. So quick update on this vehicle, back on another video as well after a bit of time, and yeah. This car has performed really well. I haven't had any complaints for the last 2.5 years since I revived it and got it going. It's just been performing really well. No real complaints, nothing big to report on. There are, of course, things I wanted to do to the vehicle, and those were mainly to do with the interior. I've been looking at sort of this hydrographics, basically, as they take out these moldings and then they dip them in that sort of plastic dip, which they call hydro dipping, and so I can choose the finish I want and get all this done. And so that's some work that I've been waiting to do and have not done yet. But apart from that, vehicle is due for a service, but it's been functioning well. Oil is just a bit dirty, and so I would like to get that done. But apart from that, honestly, such a trusty vehicle, and it's come to a point where I don't have the storage space for my Mercedes W202, and so I don't know, might consider at some point selling it, because I do have the two Land Cruisers. But it's such a hard sort of decision to make because of how much I love this thing. And 1996 W202, they were built well, and you're not going to find many in very good condition at this point. And so it's a tough decision, letting go of these older cars. Just don't want to do it. And yeah, because also this car has a lot of performance to it. Just a 1.8 liter engine, as you know, an inline 4-cylinder, but it performs really well, makes a lot of sort of torque and power for what it is. I think the weight distribution of this vehicle is really good, and it just feels very grounded and good handling on the road. This vehicle came from a time when Mercedes were trying to make the C-Class fully mainstream, and this vehicle went a long way to achieving that. A lot of these were sold. They marketed them as go anywhere, sort of rugged car, rugged suspension. Even for Africa, they did really well, and I still drive this vehicle. And as you can see, we don't have the best roads. Everything is some of the roads are really good now, but some have potholes and other stuff that just comes up. But this car has taken me everywhere. It's got really large control arms, so it's pretty rugged, and also the parts are well made. You replace them once and they last ages and ages and ages. So that's about it. In terms of any issues that have come up, really nothing much except the usual stuff you expect from these old vehicles, and now that this car is also sitting around a bit, I'm seeing those things come up, especially with rubber moldings, sun damage. That's a fantastic example of one of them. My wiper just sometimes goes off, as you can see, just all by itself. So a few little funny electrical gremlins. But apart from that, it's all right. And those kind of problems have been there for ages, since I could remember, honestly. The car does have good power to it, and good braking as well. So if you've got a W202, I know a lot of you commenting down below that you've got this vehicle and you love it and you love how it drives, that you've been watching the videos and enjoying your vehicle even more watching these videos. So I appreciate that. Leave a comment down below if you do have a W202. I'm quite interested. I mean, I'm in Nairobi, Kenya, my hometown, and this vehicle has been with us since brand new. W202, made in the South Africa Mercedes-Benz factory, I believe, and imported in by what are they called? DT Dobie. Imported by DT Dobie. Don't know why I forgot that name. But yeah, it's a quick update on my Mercedes-Benz, and I do still love this vehicle, and it's so tough and well built. And if some of you are looking for this vehicle and you are in Nairobi, then hey, just let me know. We could just come up with an agreement. But yeah, I'm not sure. I'm very attached to this vehicle as well, and had this vehicle for a long time. And I don't know which sedan gives you this kind of feeling and value. But we'll see. We'll see what we end up doing. So that's just a quick update on my Benz. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, hit like, subscribe, comment down below. A lot more videos on the way. But definitely, if you're in Nairobi, go and get some cheeky treats. Sherekea na cheeky. To Sherekea pamoja is our slogan. That basically means let's celebrate and revel together. So go ahead and grab yourself some snacks, enjoy, and yeah, let me know what you think. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So I will just give you a quick rev of the engine, and maybe we'll just check out the engine as well, see how that's doing. We've got the trusty M111 in here. We know that that's just about 200 horsepower or so. Sorry, 100 horsepower or so. And yeah, but good weight distribution, and the car really performs well, as you can see. Only 143,000 kilometers. This engine is by no means, near the end of its life. Not even close.